And there's my favorite sight. Bird watchers, all here to see me.
Oh, I love this.
Listen up, fellow bird watchers.
I'm so happy.
On today's outing, we won't bother with any of our usual bird pictures. Instead, our favorite magazine is offering a $500 prize for the best photograph of the rare spring-footed speckle-headed woodpecker. Step lively, fellow birders.
Oh, watch out. Oh, that woodpecker.
Be careful, birders. The forest is fraught with peril.
I love being the center of attention. Take all the pictures you want of this good-looking woodpecker. Hey, what am I, molting here? This is the best photo op of the day. Oh, playing hard to get, huh?
Now remember, bird watchers, don't trip over anyone as you rush off to get your best shot of the rare spring-footed speckle-headed woodpecker. And remember, the $500 prize.
Oh, that woodpecker.
$500?
Well, what do you know? If there's 500 smackaroonies for a photo of a woodpecker, who knows woodpeckers better than another woodpecker? Namely me. The spring-footed speckle-headed woodpecker is the court jester of the bird kingdom. It hops around with a wild cackle.
Why, I'd know that bird call anywhere. It's the spring-footed speckle-headed woodpecker.
Now to find the picture-perfect imposter pose.
Oh, fiddle-faddle, I missed.
Spring-footed, speckle-headed woodpeckers build intricate homes designed after famous landmarks they have visited during migration. 500 buckaroos, here I come.
Oh, specklehead. Whoops and such.
You're really starting to coil my springs, bub.
Cheese and crackers, I've got the shot.
Chips and dip, I say not.
Oops, I missed.
Now, get lost before I...
Whoops and such.
You, looking for a good shot? Take this.
I, Vessel Featherborn, always get my bird.
Yeah. All you're getting right now is my goat, genius. So you can see, the mating rituals of the spring-footed, speckle-headed woodpecker are varied, unpredictable, and have never been caught on film. Until Yikes! Stop! Get back! Vessel! Help! Say, are you looking for the love of your life? It's time to play Crossbreed. Will you choose Bachelor number 1, Bachelor number 2, or Bachelor number 3? Cheese and crackers, I got the shot. Wait, open up! I get the winning shot! I got the shot!
This is amazing. An amazing fake. I know a spring-footed speckle-headed woodpecker when I see one, and you are no spring-footed speckle-headed woodpecker. You are nothing but a fake, and you are not getting the prize money.
Yuck! Say, wait one picture flashing minute. So, you like to kiss me, do you? Then have I got a deal for you. Step right up and get a genuine photo of the speckle-headed woodpecker. Only $5. Step right up. Step right up.